Hello and welcome back to KD's Businesses. Michael Lapide here in a short mini-series, 2 videos on frequently asked questions to the accountant. And the next one is, how do I prepare to file my taxes? Well, first of all, you need to know what the deadlines are, so you better know that you're filing in advance and that you need time in advance to prepare. You can't go in just before the deadline. Oh, my personal tax filing is April 30th. I'm going to go on April 29th. I'll get it done. No. Start thinking about it March 1st, gathering your stuff through March. By the end of March, you're already getting ready going, right? So know the due dates. Secondly is make sure your documents are well organized. Extremely important that you have well organized documents, and if you're not sure what you need, then you need to ask. You need to say to your accountant, what do I need to keep? What do I need to provide, right? Very important, okay? And also update your information with your accountant and the CRA. So if there's changes in address, mailing, if there's changes in your marital status, you had kids or anything like that, we have to let the accountant know and CRA know as soon as possible, okay? So that is some of the key preparations for filing your taxes. The next one is, should I review my financial reports regularly, and if so, which ones? Yes, of course, that's an of course one. You should review your financial reporting regularly. So cash flow, I would suggest in smaller businesses, weekly. If it's bigger and you got lots of money in the bank, it's probably monthly. Weekly for cash flow, monthly for financial reporting packages, income statement, balance sheet, profit margins, all those things, no less than monthly. Same with your projections, your actual versus budget. Those should be very regular too as well, right? So, those are the main reports. Cash flow, balance sheet, income statement, and your actual versus projected are some of the keys. The other ones would be the margin reports on your products or sales themselves and how well you're doing on the sales of those products. You might also do things like marketing reports and things like that, how well your marketing is working and so forth. The next one we get is, how can I minimize my business taxes? Well, the list is unlimited, so I could answer for probably 10 more videos. Well, probably more like 100 videos, to be honest with you. There are so many ways to minimize your taxes. It's a matter of planning. That's how you minimize your taxes. It's about creating a plan to optimize things and maximize your tax savings. That's how you save taxes, business and personal. Next one is, how much should I set aside for taxes? Depending on the situation, but if you're in a corporation, typically if you're putting aside anywhere from 15 to 20%, I would usually say 20% is kind of magic number, up to 500,000 net. Okay, once you get over 500,000 net, the numbers start changing a little bit in Canada. But if you're under 500,000 net, 20% will save you enough for corporate tax and GST. You have some left over. How do I handle CRA audits and reviews? The best way to handle CRA audits and reviews is to ask for the help of a professional. Okay, we do have someone on our team that's an expert at it, of course. And at the end of the day, the more you get involved and directly with the CRA, the more they're going to probably dig and pull out other things and cause you other problems, and you might not know how to answer their questions and so forth. Hiring a professional accountant or someone that can help you prepare for the audit as well as go through the audit is the best way to handle CRA audits and reviews. That's it. Those are all the top questions that we get asked. If you got any questions or comments, we'd love to hear from you. Thanks for being a part of our Business Tips, and we'll see you in the next video.